Hi, welcome to Sketching Matters. My name is Ondra and I am an endless beginner. This video was made in collaboration with Computers for Social Change. For more information, visit computersforsocialchange.org. You can read more about this initiative in the video description. I made a mistake. Remember that in a previous video, I forgot to save an image and lost my progress. Let's look at how we could prevent things going awry by using the action menu. Let's talk about automatic saving and backup files. To find how to customize our options, let's open up the settings. We can find the options we need by going into Settings, General, and File Handling. Here, you can enable if you want your files to be automatically saved. That's the preferred option. And if so, how often should Krita be making backups for your files? Just keep in mind that in order to save memory, this autosave will be overwritten, unless you specify that you would like Krita to create a higher amount of backup files. You can also change this in Settings, General, and File Handling. Remember not to allocate more RAM to Krita than your machine is capable of handling. This could lead to data loss, corrupted files, or unnecessary, avoidable crashes. Test what works for you. Another important step to customizing your experience in Krita is through the use of keyboard shortcuts. Krita offers a couple of shortcut schemes. Some of the options can be especially useful if you are transferring from a different drawing software such as Photoshop or Clip Studio Paint. Let's look at how we can rebind a shortcut. While I can reset the rotation of the canvas by double-clicking a gizmo at the bottom right corner of the screen, when I enter full screen mode by pressing Tab, the canvas frame disappears. It would be quicker if I could just press a button or two instead of having to tab out every time I'd like to reset my rotation. Let's head over to Settings, Configure Krita, and select Keyboard Shortcuts. I'll use the search function since I already know what shortcut I want to change. Under View, I now have the option to set a new shortcut for Reset Canvas Rotation. As for the most important shortcuts, we can also switch to the Canvas Input Settings menu to customize the essential ways of manipulating and navigating a Krita document. Thank you for your attention. The script to this video is part of the public domain. You can find a link to my video scripts in the description.